Long-term disability benefits can be a financial lifeline when a serious health condition prevents you from working. Yet too often these claims are denied. Insurance companies don't want to approve LTD claims if they can help it. So even a minor mistake can derail a claim.
Hi, I'm Leah Small, a managing attorney here at Chisholm & Kilpatrick, a leading public interest law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Joining me today is Maura Black, a partner here at CCK Law. Today, we'll be discussing 3 ways long-term disability claimants can help avoid a denial of their LTD claim. But before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content.
Thanks, Leah. As you've mentioned before in past videos, one of the most common reasons insurers deny LTD claims is because the medical records don't clearly show how a claimant's condition prevents them from working. So what's one way an LTD claimant can help avoid a denial of their claim for this reason?
It's important for claimants to keep in mind that they can't rely on a diagnosis alone to obtain long-term disability benefits. You should be reporting to your doctors how your symptoms affect your ability to work in detail and at each appointment. You can also ask your doctor to describe specific limitations in their records. For example, have your doctor document that you can't sit for more than 30 minutes at a time. Along with this, it's a good idea for your provider to include these functional impairments in the records, not just notes of the treatment that was provided. Additionally, when submitting your claim, you want to include things like test results, imaging results, or specialist evaluations as well whenever possible, in addition to your regular treatment records. It's a good idea for all claimants to always read their LTD policy carefully to know their definition of disability and any special proof of claim requirements that their policy may require when collecting evidence. And if your medical records are not as strong or as detailed as they could be, consider obtaining a third-party evaluation to document impairments.
Okay. So as we know, inconsistencies are a red flag for insurance companies. What can LTD claimants do to protect themselves against this issue coming up and derailing their claim?
So it's important for claimants to make sure that their claim forms, doctor statements, and personal narratives are all aligned and consistent with each other. For example, if you are reporting on your claim forms that you can't drive due to medication side effects, that should be consistent with what is documented in your doctor's notes. When talking to your doctor, it's important to avoid minimizing your symptoms out of habit or self-consciousness, as underreporting can work against you and your LTD claim. It's important to remember that insurance companies will look for contradictions between what you say to them and what your records show you are saying to your doctors, and even slight differences can raise doubts about your claim.
A lack of recent treatment or long gaps in care, too, are other common reasons why insurers will deny claims, even if that lack of evidence doesn't show that a condition has actually improved over time. So what do you say to that, Leah? How can claimants help to mitigate that issue from coming up?
So it's important to always follow your doctor's treatment plan and attend all scheduled appointments. And if you do stop treatment for any reason, you should make sure that the reason is documented and explained in the records, so you have a basis for that for the insurance company. And if your condition is worsening or your symptoms are changing, it's important to keep your medical records up to date so they'll accurately be reflected in your documentation. And if you're seeing multiple providers, you want to make sure all of your providers are communicating about your limitations. So again, all your treatment supports your disability.
Great. Thanks, Leah. Long-term disability claims can be denied for reasons that have nothing to do with your health. We talked about a few of those reasons today. And everything to do with how your claim is prepared and documented. But with the right evidence, clear communication, and consistent care, you can help to reduce your risk of denial and give your claim the best possible chance that it has. Please remember to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content in the future. Take care.